Alright, a quick audio sample of this Esquire style build. Got the guitar going straight into this Deluxe reverb. Volume's at about just shy of 3 o'clock, or sorry, just shy of 3. Treble's on 5, bass is about 5, reverb's on 2. Start out in the middle position. So this is the only position on the guitar that the tone knob does anything. So it's full bright, rolled all the way down. So you can find where you like that middle position. Then you can go towards the neck for a bassier position with more high-end roll-off. Bridge position for tone bypass. And then if you roll the volume down, there's no treble bleed circuit on this, so if you roll the volume down, it is going to get a little darker. So even if you're just on that neck position, or I'm sorry, on that bridge position on the brightest one, roll that volume down a little bit, and it's going to roll some of that high end off of there. Treble with the tone bypassed. This gives you a little flavor. Enjoy.